Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Vogue inspired makeup tutorial. I'm also going to be answering some of the assumptions y'all have about me, just some questions. I put a poll up on Instagram and I did it like 3 or 4 times because I still haven't made the video yet, so I said why not combine the two. I found this white robe in my dad's closet, so we're gonna go ahead and do that today. All right, and this is just gonna be like a quick, everyday type of makeup tutorial. We're not gonna do any eyeshadow or anything like that. So I already moisturized my face with the Neutrogena, the gel that's in that blue tub. I'll throw it up on the screen if I can find it. And so I'm gonna go in with my primer. This is the Fenty Beauty, of course. I got this in the travel size at Sephora. So one of the polls that I put up on my channel, it said, what do you guys wanna see next from my channel? Somebody said a try-on haul. I'm going off my memory right now because y'all know I record on my phone, so I can't really look at it. But someone said they wanted to see me do a try-on haul, and I have no problem with that. I think that'll be fun. I just gotta find a store that I want to do it. Yeah, because now I have a job, you guys. So I'm gonna use Maybelline, of course, Super Stay. And I actually re-upped on this. Like, this is my second bottle. I've never bought another foundation before. Like, I've never ran out. And I was surprised I used this so much that I ran out. And I already dampened my beauty blender. So I'm gonna just apply that to my face. Yeah, it's been so long since I put makeup on. All right. Anyway, so yeah, I'm no longer moving to Texas. I really wanted to. I did visit. That vlog is on my channel, and so y'all can go look at that. So I did go and visit Houston, and I really liked it there. It was a different, pace than Atlanta. I go in with another layer like down here because this is the only part that I don't put any other product on top. Anyway, someone else put for me to talk about my friendships or something like that. And that's a pretty broad topic. I mean, I have friends, but none of my friends are like local. Like, all of my friends are gone doing something. Like, of course, I made a really good group of friends in Albany when I was in college, but like none of them live in Atlanta. Like, everyone lives down south somewhere, like South Georgia, Florida, all that. So I'm stuck, especially now that I don't have a car anymore. And I'm struggling to find another one. Like, ugh, I hate car shopping. I feel like I don't make friends like friends make me, Like, people come up to me. Like, if my friends didn't ever come up and start talking to me, I probably wouldn't have any friends. I'm just not a very social person. Like, I'm social. I don't know how to explain it. Like, I'm probably not, what is the word? Like, outgoing? I don't know. I'm just nervous. Like, I just hate people and talking to people. Anyway, so yeah, I can't believe I did that. I thought I was gonna be so careful this time, but sorry. Anyway, I don't know, yeah, I feel like I don't know what I'm doing. Like, it's been so long since I did my makeup. I'm not that type of person where you go a day without talking to me and that's it. Like, that's really weird if you're like that. I don't understand that. This is just a brow pencil from the beauty supply store. Nothing special. I mean, it gets the job done. I could go months without talking to you. I call you today and we're like, hey girl, like, hey, how you been? Da da da. Like, there's no time that's gone by, and that's how you know who your true friends are. Like distance and time really doesn't mean anything if they're your real friends, you know? I never really like had a falling out with someone. Like, I'm not really like in drama like that. So I know somebody commented like, talk about relationships or your love life. Like, does that look good? I don't know what's going on. About the whole relationship thing, your girl is off the market. Hello. Finally. And yeah, that's that on that. Yeah. So, of course, Holy Grail right here, Color Fawn. You already know, LA Girl, Pro Conceal. You did. And we're just gonna carve these brows out. Let's see what they talking about. What happened to my brow? It like just disappeared. Oh, Lord. Like, where is the end of my brow? Well, guess we're going for a new shape today, people. Someone also said, how do I live my best life like you? And I thought that was so funny. Because am I living my best life? I just try, like, I don't get stressed out about a lot of things. Like, I don't let, well, I do get stressed out, but I don't let things, like, bother me to the point where I just have a horrible day. Like, just take a nap, you'll be fine, you know? And in regards to, like, me taking trips, which y'all see that I do a lot with the vlogs on my channel, I just, you know, don't save my money. I just spend it. Because I know I'm gonna make it right back. Duh. As long as my bills are paid. Okay. So we're just gonna do the rest of my highlight. I'm gonna take this Maybelline New York, regular Maybelline New York, not Fit Me. And it's the color 30. And we're just gonna use this guy as my under eye concealer. Anyway, back to living your best life. I really just, it's not like I don't have a care, but I don't let things stress me out. Like, I don't get worked up about small things that I know will work itself out. Like, I have really strong faith in that at the end of the day, I'll be fine, you know? I'm not dead. I'm not broke. I'm not homeless. Like, I have a lot to be thankful for. So I just keep a real positive mind. And yeah. And I feel like anybody can take trips. You just gotta find the way to do it, you know? Like, I plan on taking a whole lot more trips, but I just gotta find the time. Because now that I have a job, I gotta, you know, take these days off. I'm trying to save money too, so that when I move out of my dad's house, I won't be a broke boy, you know? So, yeah. But just do it. Like, whatever you want to do, just do it. Worry about it later, you know? Have y'all seen this beef that's been going on YouTube in the world? Well, it's crazy. I'm shook. I don't become emotionally invested in a lot of things. Like, I know how to say my piece, you know? And I know how to stay neutral. I know that everything is not the end of the world. Like, see how that all came together? Look at her. What? Let me step back. Okay. Got some color back in our lives, just a little bit. All right. All right. After that, I take this Maybelline loose powder, Shine Free loose powder, and it is in medium 02, okay? So I take this. It comes with a little puff, but I don't use that, so we're just gonna block that off. And then I just dump it into the tray, into the lid. All right, just a little bit. And then all that just gets pushed into my under eye. And I also move it to my top lid. And then I just put it on my smile lines because we don't want to crease. And lately after that step where I put my powder in, I usually take my setting spray. I have re-upped on this as well because this is it, okay? Urban Decay All Nighter, you dig? And this is the travel size. I don't know, I'm just a frugal Fran over here. I hate spending my money, but I love spending my money. I love buying things, but I hate spending my money, you know? So I just get the travel size on everything, like this travel size. This is travel size. So yeah. So we're just gonna spray. So since it's like a no makeup type of thing, I don't necessarily use the contour. I use blush instead. So I have this, you've seen this before, probably my Sephora blush palette. And that's exactly what it's called, just like Sephora blush. Right, and just gonna take this shade right here. They don't have shade names or anything, so. And then we're just gonna warm the face. See, it already has an outline where it needs to be. Just gonna bronze the face up. To tone some of that highlight down because I did go all the way up with that highlight. All right, last thing, under my chin, down my neck right here, and let's put my nose. Let's just see if that'll work. Oh. Highlight I have is this, you already saw it. And let's see. Let's go with, I think I want to do something close to my skin tone. So I think this one would work. I don't know. It's called Mirage, so let's see. Just gonna put my fan into it. And wow. Okay. Okay, so much for a slight, let me just pat. Okay. Give her a moment. Oh, and I almost forgot, gotta do my mascara. Hello. Maybelline, Total Temptation. I re-upped on this too. I think I just love Maybelline. I need a thumbnail. One more spray down for the people back home. Let me show y'all my hair. I put it in a nice little bun. Get ready for these waves. Ooh. Let's see them waves, dog. But I need some earrings because I look like a naked mole rat. So, thank y'all for watching this video. I hope y'all enjoyed. Anything else y'all want to know about me, leave a comment down below. I'll answer it. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, of course. Follow me on Instagram and on Twitter at Poppin Shay. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.